Hey everyone, forgot your ElevenLabs password. Don't worry. Resetting your password is quick and only takes a few minutes. In this full guide, I'll show you how to reset your ElevenLabs password in 2026. So let's get started. First, go to the ElevenLabs sign-in page. If you can't remember your password, click Forgot Password below the login form to begin the recovery process. Next, enter the email address associated with your ElevenLabs account. Make sure you type the correct email address, then click Continue to receive a password reset link. Now check your inbox for the password reset email from ElevenLabs. If you don't see it after a few minutes, check your spam or junk folder before requesting another reset link. Click the password reset link in the email, then create a new password. Choose a strong password that's unique and difficult to guess. Avoid reusing passwords from your other accounts. After resetting your password, return to the sign-in page and log in using your new credentials. Once you're signed in successfully, your account is ready to use again. If you don't receive the reset email, double-check that you entered the correct email address, request another reset link, or try again after a few minutes. If you originally signed up with Google or Apple, you can still use Forgot Password to add an email password, but your account will remain linked to that sign-in method. If you continue having problems, contact ElevenLabs support for assistance. For better account security, use a unique password, enable a password manager to store your credentials securely, and avoid sharing your login information with anyone. Updating your password regularly also helps protect your account, and that's how to reset your ElevenLabs password in 2026. Whether you've forgotten your password or simply want to improve your account security, the reset process is fast and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.